In the heart of Kuching, where ceramic innovation meets industrial resilience, one factory is reimagining performance with Mobil.
Our company, Ceramica Indah, aims to extend the service life of our hydraulic oil beyond the equipment builder's recommended 4,000 hours interval. We partner up with Timor Loop and ExxonMobil to carry out a thorough assessment using Mobil lubricant analysis.
Through Mobil lubricant analysis, we've demonstrated that Mobil DTE 10XL, formulated with zinc-free technology, can safely extend oil drain intervals up to 12,000 hours or 3 times longer for Ceramica Indah through our data analysis work.
We have recommended Mobil DTE 10XL for hydraulic press system based on our experience with similar equipment. It delivers exceptional wear protections, system cleanliness, and energy efficiency.
Together, we achieved $33,000 in annual savings through extended oil drain intervals and reduced maintenance costs. Additionally, by avoiding 5,900 liters of waste oil, we actively support Ceramica Indah's environmental commitment.
It's not just longer intervals, it's peace of mind, productivity, and progress. When you fill with Mobil.